Internet Technologies Practical Email. Microsoft Outlook is an email application software. This allows you to be able to not only send and receive emails for your mail, but you are also allowed to use the calendar. Calendars are used to plan your activities. You can plan your activities by day, by week, or by month. These activities can be appointments, meetings, or any other new items. Another feature available from an email application software is managing contacts. Outlook allows you to use business cards for contacts. In other words, any information that you might need about a contact can be saved in your Microsoft Outlook. Let's look at a new contact. Here you can add a full name, all details as per required for this contact. Another availability in Microsoft Outlook are tasks. Here you can plan your tasks and add deadlines. We currently have 2 tasks with 2 due dates. Neither of these 2 due dates have been ticked off. As soon as you finished a task, you can check it. If you want to add a new task, you can either click on New Task over here or just add the new task. For example, finish my homework. Add a due date for this specific task. And you can also categorize this task for when it should be completed. There are many other features available for Microsoft Outlook, but these are the ones that we are going to focus on now.